so tired.
Welcome to my channel mga kakwentuhan. Bondingan ng mag-inang sina Colleen Garcia Crawford at Amari, ngayon kinagigiliwan sa IG stories kung saan ibinhagi ni Colleen ang napaka-sweet moments nila ng kanyang anak. Napaka-cute ni Amari habang nakikipag-usap sa kanyang ina. Halata naman talagang tuwang-tuwa si Colleen sa kanyang anak na napaka-bibong bata. Mapapansin din sa kanyang binahagi ang isang video kung saan enjoy si Amari na naglalaro habang pinapanood siya ng kanyang ina at ama. Habang sa ibang video naman binahagi din ni Colleen ang family bond nila kung saan kasama ang kanyang magulang at syempre ang kanyang asawa na si Billy Crawford sa kanilang dinner time. Para sa iba pang celebrity kwentuhan, mag-like at mag-subscribe na para laging updated.
So tired.
Are you tired? You're tired? You're a baby. You don't get tired.
Uh-oh. Did you mistake?
It's a mistake.
Uh-oh, this is a mistake. Oh, my goodness. The caterpillars. My goodness.
Are you a monkey? What's the name of the monkey? Amari. Did you stay there forever?
You're funny.
Whoa!
Oh, you did that.
Family day night. Family date night. JD on this side, Daddy on this side, Mommy on this side, Mama Paz on that side. Hey! Baby boy.